Alright, so isang magandang hapon po, or should I say magandang gabi na rin po sa ating lahat. Once again, good evening everyone! And hello to all our dearest guests, sponsors po natin, and to all our beloved families po natin dito. Muli, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat and welcome po sa atin. Siyempre naman po, before I officially begin our special program for this very special day, siyempre naman po, inayos ko lang po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita right now. And I also want to check your vibe and your energies. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba ako makarinig po mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan. May kasama si Tawa Chan! You know, diba? Ramdam na ramdam namin ang presensya ng ngayong gabi at ganyan pa tayo kasaya, of course, diba? Because of course, this day is a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be united all together dahil nga po nandito tayo and we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate a very spectacular moment and event for our newlyweds ngayong hapong ito. And by the way, good afternoon once again to everybody and welcome aboard here at the TV in the Woods dito po sa Antipolo, Rizal. And once again, this time we are all gathered here to witness and to celebrate the wedding reception of our couple newlyweds instead of Mr. and Mrs. Yanes, diba? So syempre naman po, before we proceed to that exciting part na inaabangan natin, is please allow me first to use this opportunity para lang po mabilisan ko lamang pong ma-acknowledge ang kanilang mga ninong at ninag. Okay, tatawagin ko lang po ang pangalan nila. Pag narinig niyo pong inyong ngalan, kayo lang po itatayo at kakuhay na para po mga sikat na artista or mga kandidato para syempre palakpakan tayo ng ating mga guests na nadirita. Okay, syempre naman po, let's acknowledge the following principal sponsors we have here. Ma'am Henya Francia Cruz! So, parang kawin ka lahat ang pangalan natin. Diba? And of course, followed by Philom Ninang or Ninong with an important night is Zorlan Reyes! Good. Ano po, ina-araw mo. And of course, we also have here Tracy Lynn Domingo! Good afternoon po. And of course, next up, we also have here Chris Moore Domingo. You know? And of course, last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, to complete our principal sponsors this afternoon is none other than Mary Ann Gomez. Ano ba lang po natin? And of course, once again, isang masigabong palakpakan po muli. A round of applause to all our principal sponsors na dito po ngayong hapon. Magandang araw po muli and to all our fellow guests na po rin nandito, family, friends of our newlyweds. Welcome din po sa inyo. Pero syempre naman po, I think it's about time that we are about to proceed na po with the main highlights of our program for this afternoon. But before anything else, syempre naman may request lang po ang bawat isa natin mga bisita. Magsipagtayo na po tayong lahat and let us all rise instead. And it is about time that we are now going to make on stage our newlyweds, our couple for this afternoon. And of course, bago natin sila sa lubungin at alam ko pang hinipay na ito. And I'll make sure that it's done worth the wait and syempre naman worth it talaga ito.